The main inlet valve in a hydropower plant is a crucial component that regulates the flow of water from the reservoir into the turbine system. Typically located at the beginning of the water passage, this valve controls the volume and pressure of water that enters the turbine, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Key features: design and construction. The valve is usually constructed from robust materials like stainless steel or cast iron, designed to withstand high pressures and harsh environmental conditions. It may feature a gate, globe, or butterfly design, each offering specific advantages in flow control and maintenance. Functionality: the main inlet valve can be operated either manually or automatically, depending on the plant's design. It serves to isolate the turbine from the water supply during maintenance or emergencies, ensuring safe operation. Control mechanisms: equipped with actuators, the valve can adjust flow rates in response to changes in electricity demand or reservoir levels. Advanced systems may include remote monitoring and control, allowing for precise adjustments and automation. Safety features includes fail-safe mechanisms to prevent accidental openings or closures, protecting both the equipment and the facility from potential damage. Maintenance considerations: regular inspections and maintenance are essential to ensure reliability and longevity, as sediment and wear can impact performance. Importance: the main inlet valve is vital for the efficient operation of a hydropower plant, influencing both energy production and system safety. Its role in flow regulation directly impacts turbine performance and overall plant efficiency, making it a key element in harnessing hydropower effectively.